Madam Speaker, today's events...
Point of order.
What is the problem? I'm a member of parliament just like you are.
Point of order. What I'm saying, madam, what I'm lamenting, madam, is that the minister holding the floor spoke in parliamentary language. She said, "Usaninyanse wanva." So I don't know if Usaninyanse is parliamentary language, and she must be moved to withdraw that one. Then she will continue.
Thank you. Honorable member for Zomba Marosa. Honorable members, can I have order, please? Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs. Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, if that word was uttered, can you please withdraw immediately? Withdraw. Madam Speaker, I'm not being given an opportunity to withdraw. They are making noise. Word was uttered, Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, please withdraw. Madam Speaker, the lady, the one that stood up, I didn't mention any name. She stood up because she knows what she said to me. That's why she stood up. She stood up to say, because I have a right